Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. Unfortunately, you can't add a previously created voice memo or audio file, but you can record it right now and add it right away. In order to do that, click on the Voice section. Hold microphone icon to record, and when you are finished, let go. As you can see, after that, my voice message was successfully created and added. If you wish to create and add a video, tap on the same plus icon at the bottom left corner. Select camera option, tap on video, and record it. When you finish, in order to discard it, click on this X, and to save it, tap on this check mark. I will go with check mark, so when I click, my video was successfully created and added. Last but not least, if you wish to add already existing video file, click on Video section instead of Camera. Tap on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to manage one of those sources. Hold a video that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!